Welcome back to the channel, and today we actually got someone to roast my code right here, and it's actually a pretty long comment. So in this video I'm gonna go ahead and just implement these tips that I've got, and you guys can also learn from them if you're doing some of these mistakes that I made in the last video where I made this month guesser. So I'm just gonna make all these fixes. Alright, so his first tip is basically just to get rid of these parentheses. You don't need them for it to work. I thought you did, but apparently you don't. So I'm just going to get rid of them in the if statements. You don't even need these. So let me just make a quick time lapse and we'll just delete all these. Alright, now that that's done, let me just check it to make sure it still works before we get into the other stuff that we need to fix. So let me just do Monday, and then we'll do Wednesday, and then we'll do yes. Okay, I think it works. There might be some part that's messed up. I'm just gonna do one if the first day name equals Sunday. Let me just try that just to make sure not like I didn't delete one that I wasn't supposed to. Okay, and then I'll just do Tuesday for the last one. For right now, that should be good. Now let me just go ahead and look at this next little tip we have. So secondly, you can do this. So basically what I was doing is, before I was doing it where I had to check Monday and Monday with a capital M, but you just do lower and it basically instantly lowers it, makes the entire thing lowercase and checks it as lowercase. So basically, if the word that you put in all lowercase equals Monday, so if I put in Monday with all caps, it would still work, because lowercase, it's still Monday. So I guess I've just got to fix all these, basically just get rid of the ors. Alright, there we go. Hopefully you guys liked that little time lapse. There's probably a better way to do that. You guys will probably chastise me for it in the comments, but whatever. If there is, just tell me, because I want to know. But now we have another one. So basically, readability. So you can either do, there's two kinds, because what I'm doing is I'm just typing it like you would normally type it, like if you're doing a document. But apparently encoding, which I kind of knew about camel case, but apparently there's also snake case, which is like you just put an underscore, I'm guessing, in between each letter, or I mean word, not in between each letter. And I'm just gonna do camel case because that's what I'm slightly familiar with. So I'm guessing you just do like this. So just first day name. So I'm just gonna turn all these into camel case, which I think actually there's a better way to do this. Control Shift L. Let me try that. Control Shift L. There we go. So then we just do first day name. There we go. So that just fixes all of that. Last day name. Hopefully this makes you guys happy. I think that's all of them that need to be like good. If there's more, just tell me in the comments, because I'm probably not going to do all this all right, but hopefully it's better than it was last video. Now, right now you're doing multiple blocks in a row, so Monday, then checking if it's Tuesday. So you can use else if, which elif in Python. So what you do, I'm guessing, is, so it's kind of like, what I'm gonna try, also let me just make sure this works still. It should. Monday. You always want to make sure your code works before doing something else. Okay, so July, yes. Alright, so let me also just check. I always like checking like different parts of it because there could be one part that works and one part that doesn't. Let me just do Sunday. Or let me try this. Let me do Sunday. Let me just do that with all caps. Okay, and then Monday, like that. See, it still works. So that is actually really helpful. Thank you for telling me that. I never even knew that existed. So else if basically if the if doesn't work, it does that. So basically if the if does work, it just doesn't. It just ignores the code. Is what I'm guessing. So I don't know. Am I just supposed to put this under all of these ones? I'm guessing I just have this one be if. I'm gonna try this. You can tell me if this isn't how you do it. Oh wait, no. Yeah, so elif. That's how you do it, right? Elif. Nope, not elif. It's yeah, just like elif. We can just get rid of that if. Okay. And then, I guess, do I just do that to all of them? In that case, I can just go. Okay, so I'll just have to fix these two up here. But it's better because I don't want to do it all for that. Okay, then let me just... I don't think this is going to work because it has all these red lines, but let me just check. You know, so... Alright, so basically just invalid syntax. Is there a... Okay. I don't know why that's not working actually. Is it... Okay. Then checking Tuesday. Say first day name is Monday. Rather... Oh, I think what he's saying... This might not even be what he's saying, but let me just try this. Are you saying that I just do it for these bottom ones that are inside these big weekday names? I'm gonna try it like that. Are you saying that? I don't think you're saying that, but let me try it. Yeah, see, it doesn't work for these ones though. So that doesn't. I don't know why it's doing that. I might have to have y'all help me and end the video, but let me. So it's saying invalid syntax, but I'm probably just being really dumb right here. But okay, let me try this on just a new file. So I'll just do elif.py. Hopefully that's not like a reserved name. Okay. So let me just like try this. So is it just for 2 of these? Like, does it only work for 2 things? Okay, let me also just say I need to make this name equals roast my code. Okay, so I'm just gonna steal this code right here. Okay. Hopefully you don't mind. Okay. So let me just see. Do you need it to be like have parentheses? No, that makes it a string though. So maybe if let me see. Let me see if this works. What's wrong with the name? Do I have to get rid of the spaces? Or might just, yeah, I don't even know. Probably just doing this completely wrong, but let me do that. Oh no, but this is a string though, so I need to have these still here. Oh, wait, I see what I'm doing wrong. I see what I'm doing wrong. You guys are probably cringing right now. This needs to be a string. I was just having a brain fart there. Okay, let me... Okay, hey, roast my code. So that works. This code is good. So... I don't know why this isn't. So is it just... everything after an if? So, like... goes into one of the if blocks. So is it doing this? Is this the strat? Because it basically just, the idea is it saves on computing power. Because I'm doing all these unnecessary checks that don't really do anything. But like these ifs down here don't matter because you can only get to these if you go through this. If this is true, that's the only way this code's gonna run, basically. So let me try this. Let me see if this works. I'm still learning. Give me a break, guys. You guys can turn this on like 2 times speed if you want. Just hear me out. Okay, just hear me out. Okay, let me try the bottom one, Sunday, because that should be the one that, if that one works, then all of them work. And then Monday, March. I feel like that was faster. Like that code ran faster. Here, let me get the old code and let me like compare them because I feel like that ran faster. So I got this old code. Let me just copy and paste. So this is the old stuff. See, it has all these extra stuff. It's not a camel case. It has this. So this is all just extra crap that we don't really need. And then this is your version where, okay, so if you guys want to read that, I've already read it though. So let's just, I would time it, but they're both gonna be like extremely fast. So let me just do, that was like still fast, but like I feel like it was slightly slower. You know, it like saves on computing power. You know what I mean? So like we don't have to waste all this power doing all of this. And then watch, this should be like instant because it's just running like a small part of code. Like I'm literally just gonna type in Saturday and watch how fast. And then we'll see how fast it does it on this. Like I feel like it's faster. I don't know if you guys do, but I feel like it's faster. I don't know. It definitely is better though. Thank you so much for doing this. I know this probably took a long time to write out, maybe not, I don't know. But thank you for spending the time to help me out on coding and help everyone else out here who might have needed this video to help them out. But here's the code. I'll post this also in the video description so you guys can roast it too, because I know that's easier because you guys can like copy paste it instead of having to get it from the video. You know, I feel like that would be easier. So if there's anything else that I didn't do right in this video, I think I did it good. But if I didn't do it right, just comment below and I'll fix it in the next video. And comment below what you want me to code, and hopefully I can get started on a website where you guys can actually post your code, and then we can have other people roast your code and me roast your code maybe too. I don't know. But thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to. I don't really care about subscribers. I just want a loyal audience of people that watch. You don't have to click a button. And like if you want other people to see this, and we'll see you in the next one.